Good morning everyone. This is standard 6 science video number 3. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss the answer the following questions in long. Okay, first question is what is atmosphere? Give its four uses. Okay, now atmosphere, we live on the earth and there is a thick layer of air all around the earth, and air forms the earth atmosphere. And definition of atmosphere is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere extends to several kilometers above the earth's surface. As we go high up in the atmosphere, the amount of air becomes decreases. Okay, now we will see the importance of atmosphere or uses of atmosphere. Atmosphere provides necessary gases for living things to survive. Okay, this is the first one. And second, it atmosphere regulates the heat from the sun to just the right temperature at just for the right temperature for the life on the earth. Okay, the temperature is so suitable for the human beings to survive on the earth. Other planets do not have suitable temperature. Some planets have very high temperature, some planets have very low temperature in which life does not exist. Okay, next one, the atmosphere play important role in the water cycle. The clouds form, condensation takes place, evaporation takes place. Okay, it comes again as a precipitate. Okay, and goes evaporates again, condense, okay, to form clouds. This water cycle goes and goes. And the most important that the ozone layer protects the earth from the sun's harmful UV rays, means ultraviolet rays. The layer of the atmosphere, that is stratosphere, second layer, okay, which have a ozone layer which protect the ultraviolet rays which is coming from the sun. It is very harmful, and which cause the skin cancer and cause the eye disease, several eye disease. And next importance of atmosphere, that it protects the earth from the small meteors, like in the next mesosphere, okay, is the layer of atmosphere in which meteors burns due to the friction. So it does meteors does not reach to the earth's surface. Okay, if they will reach, they can destroy the earth's surface and most of the people will die on the earth. Okay, now the next question is what is wind? State any three uses of windmill. You know that the wind is simply air in the motion, and wind causes, okay, moving or blowing air is called wind. Okay, and we will see advantages of windmill. First one is the wind energy. Fuel for windmill generator is renewable, so it will never run off. We ride the bike, we ride the car, what happen, okay, we need fuel, petrol, diesel, but to run the windmill we need wind, which is free. Nature has given free to us. And windmill does not produce any type of poisonous gases, smoke, fumes, as it does involve any burning process, so it is clean. Next one, it is very cheap way to generate electricity. Okay, and windmill have very low maintenance cost as compared to those of other power generation plant like thermal power plant. They are very costly. Okay, now the next question is why do you think mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them while climbing high mountains? Okay, you can see they are going to on the Mount Everest. Okay, the question arises why. The answer is the mountaineers carry an oxygen cylinder along with them. It is because when they climb mountains, as the altitude increases, the amount of oxygen level in the atmospheric air decreases, as the trees are not found at higher altitude. As a result, mountaineers suffer from dizziness. It can also lead to hypoxia. What is hypoxia? Hypoxia is a condition wherein a region of a body is deprived of sufficient supply of oxygen. They do not get a good amount of oxygen at the tissue level. Hence, to avoid such issues arising due to insufficient oxygen, mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder. Okay, you can see here, this is the oxygen cylinder they carry. Everyone will carry the oxygen cylinder. Next question is that value based question. Ravi was sitting in a room where all the doors and windows were open with the curtains. Okay, the beams of sunlight was entering the room through a slit. When his elder sister Nisha enters the room and told him to close the doors and window with the curtain and explain the reason. Okay, what does the beam of light contains? Okay, the beam of sunlight contains dust or solid particles in the air. Okay, thank you very much.